the stage, may I invite Nora Mem to kindly present the stage to the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. And the first runners-up is sponsored by Sarvitis Inghi, Executive Member, Karbi Taralangso Council. Taralangso Executive Member Taralangso Council, I would like to request Samir Jenko, a judge of this ceremony, to kindly at this point in time, Miss KYF 2026 is being felicitated with a share